दैट आई रियली अप्रिशिएट, बहुत अच्छा लगा।
It is student led and that's the best part.
Rishihood is definitely heading in the right direction.
ये यूनिवर्सिटी बहुत आगे है।
A lot of people in the auditorium fully filled with the people who just made this possible from 4 of the fest. In itself shows the creativity that our learners come up with. They have invited so many experts from across the field.
Hi, I'm Akash Gupta. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Zip Electric, and people know me as Kash se Akash also.
Bringing these learners so close to them, this is what fills us with fun and excitement as well. And Rishihood University has always focused in bringing these kind of opportunities for these learners.
हर चीज बहुत वेल मैनेज है बाय द स्टूडेंट्स और सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि सारी चीजें स्टूडेंट्स कर रहे हैं।
यहाँ के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उन्होंने जिस वे से उन सारी चीज़ों को इम्प्लीमेंट किया है, लाइक इट शोज देयर मेंटालिटी। लोग कहते हैं कि एंटरप्रेन्योर्स बनते हैं, बट आई थिंक यहाँ पर क्रिएटिव प्रेन्योर्स हैं।
There were multiple activities that I witnessed. I'm sure the participants and all the learners who came in had a lot of fun and learning experience.
साइकोलॉजी में बहुत सारे ट्रीटमेंट्स होते हैं 3D विजुअल्स के थ्रू। जैसे किसी को फोबिया होता है हाइट का, तो वो सब उससे दूर हो सकते हैं।
The fest gives an opportunity for learners to execute in a bigger scale of what they learn in the classroom, and that's one of the main objectives of why we do these fests. These are not distraction for our learners, these are an opportunity to scale up.
Here we are standing at our self-expression cafe, which is a part of Syphoria 2025.
I feel very grateful because I have found a set of people that want to work towards this. They have that passion in them. They really want to do something with the club.
Very overwhelmed right now and I'm very happy.
To build such a wonderful experience for 2 days for learners, and not only for themselves, they invited close to 50 plus colleges and schools from Delhi NCR as well. The students test their camaraderie and team building, not only in academics. I think we also, as curators of these experiences, we need to give them such opportunities where they actually build stuff, right? Get to know how things are done. School events not only builds confidence, but it is more of out of the classroom learning ka best example.